I'm telling you guys, the closer we get to the funded level with these accounts, the harder it gets. And I know it's only me, I know it's only psychology, but it gets harder, trust me on this. And so almost like a break-even day today on these three accounts. $170 overall across the accounts, but let me show you what happened in the London session. I tried to go short to take out this 15-minute fair value gap right after the London session on this other fair value gap. So I went short on this entry right there, and unfortunately it took me out. And I gave it one more chance here. Well, it was somewhere around here. Not the perfect entry, I know, but also took me out once more. So 2R loss. And then the third attempt, also on live stream, went short again. And I closed it manually here, although I should have just held it longer. And it took out perfectly this area. Well, this also proves that if you have a trading plan, you have a good analysis, you should stick with it. You should always stick with your analysis. But got me back to almost around break even, which was okay. And then I did some mistakes here and there, tried to scalp as usual. Scalping is not for me. I thought that we were going to have a reversal here, so I entered to a long, scalped again. Wasn't really looking that good. The only thing I could do is waiting for the market open, and we were talking about it on live stream, how we should be approaching the 438 level, which was actually a 5-minute swing low from the 20th of March, and it took it out. So I scalped this. I managed to get back to break even, and that's it. We were waiting for some entries to take out a 1-hour bearish order block buy side liquidity level at 564, but so far that's how far I went with this. And let me show you the accounts briefly. The my funded futures account is up like $40 up to 2,357, but the two Bulenox accounts, the first one is up $70, 2,857, not too far from being funded, and the other one is up 2,837, which is up $60. So overall $170 in profit. So no issue with that, but I could have done better. I was a little bit over trading, but my analysis, and it's still telling me at the recording of this video, that we should be seeing some higher levels. We should be taking out the 565, but it was a slow Monday. It was still good, so thank you very much. Check the discounts, because my funded futures still has a very good one going on. No activation fee until April 6th, and you can use my code on the starter to get 30% down. And check the other ones, TopStep to 20% down. Apex has still the 1-day pass option with 80% down, and the Bulenox only gives you the 90% for the first month. Don't forget that. Okay, thanks so much guys, and see you in the London session.